Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius on your Gree AC remote. First, grab your Gree AC remote and make sure it has working batteries. Locate the Mode button and either the Temp Up or Temp Down buttons. You'll need to use these in combination to access the temperature unit settings. Keep the remote pointed towards your AC unit for the best results. To access the temperature unit settings, press and hold both the Mode button and the Temp Down button at the same time. You'll need to hold them for about 5 seconds. Watch the remote's display carefully. After a few moments, the current temperature unit, either Fahrenheit or Celsius, will start flashing, indicating you can now make a change. Once the unit starts flashing, use the Temp Up or Temp Down buttons to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You'll see the display change as you press the buttons. When you see your preferred unit, like Celsius, on the screen, press the OK or Set button to confirm your selection. This action saves the new setting to your remote. Now that you've changed the unit, take a moment to verify that your Gree AC remote is displaying the temperature in your chosen unit, whether it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. Try adjusting the temperature up and down to ensure the AC unit responds correctly to the new setting. You're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.